chasing my dreams, chasing my dreams, chasing my dreams.
Have you been? And I don't think you, if you want to be in it.
We never been in it.
Why? Stay low key. Listen, I'm gonna go buy something to eat. I'm very hungry.
Chasing my dreams, chasing my dreams, chasing my dreams.
Okay. 5, 6, 7. Thank you. Okay. I ordered fried chicken. Fried chicken 700. Breast and wing. I'll put the gravy on the chicken, not on the rice. And I need to stop buying. I'm at Solid Rock Cafe. Oh, what is this called? Solid Rock Restaurant. I'm saying cafe like it's a cafe. Is it cafe?
Solid Rock
Restaurant. Yeah, I don't know why I started calling it cafe, because cafes have been on my mind, but that's a different topic. You guys will see why. So I just ordered that for $700, and hopefully their food tastes good here. I don't really eat here like that, but on Sundays they're here open all the time, from morning straight to, I don't know what time they close, like around 5 or 6 or something, I don't know. But I've come here late multiple times and bought food on a Sunday. Okay, so this is going to be a day in the life. I'm gonna try and make it as interesting as possible. Yeah. Wait, what time do you guys close? Usually on Sundays, what time do you close? Oh, yeah, you know it. Okay, this is what I got. 700. And I'm going to have this with it. Wait, can this even fit in here? I can't even fit in here. Anyways, let's go.
Chasing my dreams, chasing my dreams.
Here is the look of the day. I just put on a headband because it's quick and fast. I did my baby hairs, but they came out, so that's unfortunate. I have these from Annesha. These glasses are from my optometrist, but they're the Guess brand. Prescription glasses, BT Dubs. And then I'm wearing this Romwe top. It says don't talk to strangers. I thought it says Stranger Things. But yeah, Romwe. I have some jeans from Urban Planet. I'm pretty sure they're from. And then I got slippers from Forever 21. And my teeth, I bought them too. I bought this at the moment. I have my one. Okay, this food 2 out of 10. I don't like that. I didn't want to disturb you guys. They want to disturb you guys. Sorry. How long did he stay here until he left? Bye. Hey guys, I'm just at this bar here. Yeah. Lindsay Sports Bar. Yes. Anyways, I was telling her I wanted to leave my house on Sunday and I wanted to do some more somewhere else. They have no cafes here, but they have this bar here. There's chairs here that I was sitting right there. So I'm just gonna do some work here. And it's not like editing, it's just like planning. I wish they had a cafe around here. That's a business idea for anyone who wants to open up a business out here. Okay, yeah, so I was saying that they need a cafe here. I used to always go to the library in Scotland, but they started getting like They were it was like, okay, the library is from the government for everyone in the community, but the people at Spalding's library, I'm gonna be honest, I don't care if they're gonna see this, they just are not the politest. And like when school children come in, they always have a problem with them, and I don't like that stuff. I feel like, yeah, anyway, so we need a cafe, like something super nice, or if anyone is thinking of, yeah, there's like a college near here. A lot of people around here go to colleges, high schools, trade schools, so yeah.
Yeah, reason to go.
Okay. Well, I don't. Can I have a rum special? I'm just blooming rum, and will help me think a little bit, guys. And I'm gonna pay for the Pepsi too. Trusty $5. Huh? No, that's okay. Really?
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, thank you. You guys see me staring at it like I'm someone who bit me, seeing stuff for the first time. And guys, I'm just planning out my, yeah, she's putting boob in now. I'm planning out my week. Stop. Yeah, my week, my month. I was just thinking about stuff. I'm supposed to be going to town. I can't plan that out yet because I don't know if it's definite. If I can stay in country for everything, I stay in country. For the bum and the Pepsi and the, yeah. Taste test. Taste test. I'm gonna do an updated Spalding's vlog for everyone because for some weird reason that video did so good. Like it has so many views, and the last time I did was like probably 4 or 5 years ago, so I'm gonna do an updated one. And you guys are gonna see it because I'm planning that out right now. I'm planning out a lot of stuff. That's the only way you guys stay consistent. Make videos and plan out. Like a video like this is just a vlog, and I don't really like doing videos like this because I feel like they're not planned out. Most times I don't really look that good because it's just like my regular self and I'm just doing random stuff. So yeah, but I appreciate all you guys' likes, comments, everything, because shares, because it does a lot. This doesn't taste spicy. Campari tastes spicy. This doesn't taste spicy.
What's that?
How did I spill this on me? Nice necklace.
Hmm?
Nice neck. What does your shirt say? Life happens.
Life happens.
Oh, life happens, wine. Oh. Guys, I'm still here working, but I just remembered something as I was calculating. The other day, I was like, let me check my credit card. So I was checking the statements on my credit card, and I got charged 3 different times by Amazon for 3 different Prime memberships, and they're all in US dollars. So I was paying like $20 Canadian for each membership. And I was like, ah! So I was so confused. And then I remembered that I made like more than 1 account on Amazon, and then when I figured out I was paying for 3 different Prime memberships per month, and I didn't even know for how many months. And I was like, yeah, I'm canceling this all right now. I canceled everything. Can you guys believe that? That's why it's good for you guys to like look over things for the month and look at your expenses and everything, because why am I paying for unnecessary stuff? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So I was like, what's the B class? I think I like all of TJ's songs. Like his songs are all hits in my opinion. He's probably like I think there's only like 3 celebrities I follow on my page and TJ's one of them. I used to follow Cartel because he's obviously my top, but he just disappointed me with going to jail, so I unfollowed him on Instagram. It's been like years now and I haven't followed him back because I'm just, every time I see him I just get upset. Because you know, it's Cartel versus the Jamaican government, so he's not coming up. Okay, I went to go get my charger, but I had to use my car charger. I forgot to bring you guys. I'm trying to practice more on bringing you guys with me everywhere and turning on the camera all the time. So I'm gonna go back into the bar, so yeah. Now I'm planning Instagram reels. I'm gonna start doing videos on Instagram, but I want them to look good, so I'm planning them right now. This is what I'm, yeah, this is kind of boring as a vlog, but I'm trying to make it, yeah. Your fave tech girl. Anyways, we came to an end. We've come to an end of movie now. I'm going home. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm walking in Spalding's. Always here, really. Are they? Their bikes sound like gunshots, man. I hate it. Their bikes are so loud. I didn't know so much people come out here.
That's boring sometimes.
Boring sometimes or boring all the time?
Oh, you got the early?
No. Just saying.
Or maybe you just start.
It's Jamaican people is what makes the matches more interesting, to be honest. One of the one beside beside Juicy Beef. The one beside Juicy Beef. Yeah, that's what the man was telling me, but I don't know how true that is because it's been like all 10-20 years. The building's still there, run down. Guys, I look like a mess right now, but once we install this wig, it's gonna look so good. So, Hairspell sent over their 12-inch bob wig, and we have their info pamphlet, happy clip that they provided for you girlies. We have the wig. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to install this. So, as you guys know, when it comes to 613, blonde hair or just more on the whiter side of hair, on black girls, there's like a technique that you would have to do to make sure that this lace sits on you really good and make it look natural, make it just melt into the skin. So I'm going to share that with you guys. I have a full entire dedicated video on my channel that shares with you guys how to install 613 blonde hair for black girls. So this is Indian virgin hair. I never wore hair like this, especially in the bob. So I'm like, yes. And then we're gonna turn it around. All the details about this wig will be linked down below in case any of you guys would like to know the exact details about this wig. It already comes pre-plucked with a middle part. It's gonna come like that. So I'm just gonna put the wig right onto my hair. Now I usually rock on it. Just remember how it looks prior to me styling this and fixing it up. We're going to comb this. We're just gonna brush this out so I can see what we're working with. As you guys can see what I was telling you, this is more on the whiter side. You know how like sometimes 613 here has more of a yellowish undertone? Yeah, but this is more on the whiter side. So what I'm going to be doing is going in with my wax stick. So this is how it looks. So I'm going in with this just so I can just take out any flyaways, just to see my hairline properly, to lay down the hair because we're gonna go in with the hot comb. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is we're gonna go in with the hot comb. I got on Amazon that I'm gonna link down below if any of you guys would like to purchase this as well. I'm just going to just make sure the hair looks flat on my head. The hot comb is what makes our hair not look big and bulky and look like it's flying away, so it doesn't look like a helmet, so it doesn't look wiggish. So the hot comb is just ensuring, like I feel like my wigs will come out 10 million times better. I'm going in with the Got2b spray. I'm just spraying the top of my hair so this can just stay in place in the way that I want it to. So that's what Got2b does. It locks in your hairstyle the way that you want it to lock in. So I'm going in with the comb. this back. So as you can see, I'm going back in it with the hot comb with this. Like every day I want to change off. One thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to just make sure my hair is brushed up like this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with my elastic band that you can get out of a fabric store for like $1. Tie it. While this is melting, we're going to just straighten the hair. We're going to just pass through it quickly. By the way, this hair is super soft. Like I keep on touching it and I keep on going like this because it's really soft. And I haven't seen any shedding actually. Even from brushing the hair, this is all you guys get in shedding. I'm going to be honest. Barely any shedding. And we're going to see if this hair can really straighten well. So as you guys can see, it's not too bad. But can you guys see the difference so far? I just want you guys to be able. I'm gonna start using the brush to put, because this straightener is like, but so far this is good. It has some body to it, it moves, it looks really good. So next thing we're going to do is, so the reason why I glued down the wig first and then now I'm going to cut it is because the hair is going to melt a little bit better this way. And then you guys are going to see what I'm going to do. So I'm just cutting off the excess. You're going to want to go in with your foundation or your powder and a brush. Put it where the lace is showing. So for me, it's at the front here. Guys, you can do baby hairs as well, but I'm not doing any baby hairs. So this is just helping to blend in the lace a little bit better. So we're just only blending in the parts that are going to show. We're gonna go in with our Pump It Up Spritz Gold. This is the bomb beauty supply store. And what you do is you're going to just place it on the lifting. If any parts lifts, because since we have to lift it a little bit, any parts of those, we're just gonna place it on there. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to straighten over these parts here just to like touch it up to make it a little bit more better. Ta-da! So this is it for my install of the bob wig. It looks so good, guys. I like it so much. I felt like maybe I could have done some baby hairs, but this is how it looks. I'm going to give you guys a full 360. I love it. Thank you, Hairspells, for working with me on this video. All the details about this hair is going to be linked down below if any of you would like to purchase this hair. If you would like to buy anything else from Hairspells, definitely check them out down below. I'm pretty sure they offer this bob wig in a variety of different colors as well, if any of you guys want a different color other than the blue. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.